Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel The DIY Sing. Today in this video I am going to install all season tires on my Corolla 2020. These are winter tires installed in my car right now. It's already end of March here in Canada, so no more snow, no more temperature below 7 degrees Celsius. So these tires I already got installed from the workshop with the alignment and wheel balancing done. So now I have separate spare set of all season tires. So I have to simply take off these wheels. Here we go friends. Here is the all season tires with the rim, steel rims. Simply I have to take these tires and install it in the car, because these tires are already balanced and the alignment is done with the car, so no need to go again to the workshop and wait there for 2 to 3 hours in the line to get your wheels changed. Let's begin with the installation. So friends, to get started, make sure your car is on straight surface, plain surface. It should not be parked on a elevated surface. This one is still elevated, but it's not too much. So let's begin with the installation. First of all, we need jack, spanner and rod. So we will start placing the jack from the recommended place. So friends, to find where we need to insert the jack to lift up the car, it's given on owner's manual, page number 506, steps to take in emergency replacing a flat tire. So here we found on the right side bottom. Here you can see friends, there are two points given over there where we can put the jack. And let's start the removal. We will start with the driver's side. So before taking the car completely in the air, loose all the nuts. So now you can use the rod to lift up the car. Always, if you have power gun, always do one thing: start tightening the bolts with hand, not immediately with the gun. This one thread is damaged by the workshop people, because what they did, they put the bolt like this and tighten it with the gun immediately. So that's why the thread inserted was wrong, and it continued, the wrong thread was continued till the end. So that's why the stud is damaged. I'm not able to see, not able to tighten it with my hand. Always tighten opposite sided nuts. Try to apply force upside, not downside, because it will add on the load on jack. Do not completely tighten it. Make sure it's touching the hub. Okay. Do not jump on the spanner. You may damage stud. Make sure all the bolts are tight enough. Here we go, friends. Driver side tire is done. So similarly, I will replace all the tires, all 3 tires, and have a small round so that I can make sure whether the alignment, wheel balancing is required or no. If alignment will be required, car will pull itself towards one side. If the wheel balancing is required, then car will give some bubbling or some vibrations in the cabin. So I will continue with the other tires. Okay, before putting the tire in the air, make sure its nuts are loose. Tire is in there now. Here we go, friends. In this tire, no bolts were tightened carefully by the workshop people. That's all from me. Here we go. Here the big law of physics involved here, friends. Always, if you want to completely couple this tire in with the hub. Make sure when the car is in the jack, make sure you always tighten it in the way so that you have to pull the stand upside, not downside, because it will add the weight into the jack. So now tire is completely mounted with the coupled with the hub, so we can remove the jack and lower down the car and tighten it to the limits. Here we go. The second tire is also done. No rears, tires are balanced. Here we go, friends. Third one is also done, so remaining is one, that is left rear side. These are so tight. These are so tight. Just make sure, friends, before doing this job, make sure you have taken your meal, because this is a hard job. It's not easy. So make sure you have sufficient food in your stomach so that you can work hard for approximately 1 hour. It's maximum 1 hour job. If you want to do it hard, make sure your car is aligned car has good alignment, wheel balancing of the wheels which you are going to install. Even after that, you have to cross check every nut that is right. There we go. So friends, these are the winter tires, 4 winter tires for my car, which I have just taken out from my car and installed all season tires. So these tires are thoroughly cleaned. I have washed them completely. So after cleaning, you have to make sure from which location you have taken out, just apply marking on them. As you can see, on all 4 tires I have done the marking. This one is rear right, this one is front left, and this one is rear left, this one is front right. So in this way I will be able to install these tires on the same location in coming winter. After cleaning, friends, I have seen there are some parts where I feel some rusting is there. As you can see, these two sheets are welded. So I will recommend you to, before storing these tires into plastic bags, make sure you apply lubricant. So friends, I am using some lubricant to lubricate the areas where I feel rusting, so that it cannot increase further. So it's going to remain over there in the rusty parts for a long time and will prevent the rust to increase or spread all over the area. Sometimes a small effort is required to save or to keep things working for a long time, and believe me, this small effort is very useful and it will pay you off back. So in this way, friends, I will coat all the rusty joints for all 4 tires and be able to go for storage. Here it is, friends, all 4 winter tires are stored. So whenever next winter is coming, these tires will be ready to hit the road again. Marking is there. It's all tires are neat and clean, all tires are lubricated, or I have applied some lubricant wherever I saw minor or major rusting. So in this way these tires are gonna work for a long time, and it will be stored safely. So this was all about how to install tires, how to swap your tires in Toyota Corolla. Hope this video will help you out in doing the same. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. God much bless all. See you in the next video.